Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 18th, 1899. Truth places the soul in order. This morning, as most loving Jesus came, I said to him, "My beloved Jesus, I believe that everything I write is a lot of nonsense." And Jesus,
"My word is not only truth, but also light. And when a light enters a dark room, what does it do? It dispels the darkness and makes one distinguish the objects that are in it, whether they are ugly or beautiful, whether there is order or disorder. And from the way the room is found, one judges the person that occupies it. Now, the human life is the dark room, and when the light of truth enters a soul, it dispels the darkness. That is, it makes her distinguish what is true from what is false, the temporal from the eternal, in such a way that she casts vices away from herself and places the order of virtues within her. In fact, since my light is holy, which is my very divinity, it cannot communicate anything other than sanctity and order. Therefore the soul feels light of patience, of humility, of charity, and the like, come out of herself. If my word produces these signs in you, why fear?
After this, Jesus let me hear how he was praying to the Father for me, saying,
Holy Father, I pray you for this soul. Let it be so that she may fulfill our most holy will perfectly in everything. Let it be, O adorable Father, that her actions be so conformed to mine, that one might not be distinguished from the other, so that I may accomplish what I have designed upon her.
But who can say the strength I felt being infused in me by this prayer of Jesus? I felt my soul being clothed with such strength that in order to fulfill the most holy will of God, I would not have cared suffering 1,000 martyrdoms if this were what pleased him. May the Lord be always thanked, who uses so much mercy with this poor sinner. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.